Thank you so much for attending our homebuyers class.
Home buying is fun and exciting, but with everything you see on social media, the level of quality has really gone down in the service that most of the realtors are providing.
So this is a big deal. Don't take it lightly. We hope these videos helped you.
What we want to accomplish from these videos is that you feel more prepared and you know how the process works and that you understand how important it is to find the real estate agent and the mortgage lender to get this done when you're buying a house. This is one of the biggest purchases you'll ever make. Whether it's just you, your family, or you're invested in real estate, this is a very big deal.
So we truly hope this has helped you. If you don't have anyone to turn to or if you want to speak with us directly, we love to help. We love what we do and we're very good at this and we really care about the people we work with. We want you guys to feel like you've been helped and better educated so you can go out there and win as a home buyer. Again, we appreciate you coming. Now let's go find you a beautiful home.